guys, welcome to Auntie Tay's YouTube channel. I am so thankful you guys are here for another episode of The Sam Show. Today we are going to be talking about crafty parties, and I mean, if we didn't already love Auntie Tay's crafty membership, what do we love more than a craft day party? I know I love having girlfriends over to DIY some things and just to have fun making stuff with my girlfriends. So for that night, I'm going to make this banner because it's just the perfect accent. You can use it for photo props, you can use it for decor in your craft room. The possibilities are endless, so let's get crafting. Hey everyone, it's Sam from the Auntie Tay team, and you're watching The Sam Show. Let's go make some fun things. You're probably wondering why I need to do a tutorial on how to put this together. I don't. This is really straightforward of just matching layers together, but I thought I would give some tips and tricks on the things that I like to do when making a banner. My first tip is to lay everything out and try to match all your pieces together before you get started putting everything together, just so you know that you have everything you're supposed to. Now, I also love to use vinyl when I'm making banners, especially for those delicate cuts and when you want those fun textures. For example, I didn't have any gray or silver paper, and using a metallic silver just was the extra detail that really topped off this pin cushion. Also, it was so much easier to cut those little tiny needles out of vinyl versus paper. I like to get my foamies from the Dollar Tree, thanks to DIY Melissa, also Sweet Buttercup Designs. She is the one that recommended these foamies. They're actually in like the home improvement area at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree also now has smaller craft foamies too, and I'm using both of them, and I like both of them for different reasons. You'll notice that I am also using foamies on some and glue on others. I'm using the Super Tight Fusion Tack glue. This stuff is awesome. I put it in a precision tip and it holds really well. You do not need very much glue at all. And it's a super multi-purpose glue. I use it for blinging as well. The reason I'm showing you guys some of them glued and some of them with foamies is I want to show the difference. Foamies can really make a cool dimensional impact on your banner, but sometimes it's kind of cool to just glue things flat and then add extra embellishments, or do like I'm doing on this whole banner and doing half with foamies, half flat, and it really kind of plays with the dimensions. And if you weren't aware, Auntie Tay members save 20 to 30% on Cardstock Warehouse, which has some amazing cardstock products. Also, you will save 20 to 30% on the Super Tight glue, which I use. So there's so many great small businesses that Auntie Tay works with, and when you're a member, you save money on those supplies, which is just an extra bonus. Let's see if you can tell the difference on the one with foamies and the one without. The top one had foamies. Now this one, the right-handed one, had foamies, but you couldn't really tell. So it really depends on the design and how much effort you want to put into it. I really like them with foamies, but it does take a lot more time to peel off all of those little covers on the sticker part. It really depends on what you want to do and how much effort you want to put into it, but I love showing the different options. Now, one of the things I absolutely love to do is adding a little bit extra to some of the more simpler designs. So the ones that don't have foamies, or if you want to be super extra, which I am here for, doing foamies and bling. So I am using the same super tight Fusion Tack glue that I was using to glue the paper together. And then Marvy, who is another Auntie partner, has a tool called the Jewel Picker, and it's great for actually using on small pieces of paper because it has a sticky end, and you can use it for blinging and small pieces of paper. It's super versatile. I added some bling to a handful of the designs. You don't have to do too much bling to really make an impact. That's what I love about it. On some of them, I only did like 3 little pieces of bling, and it made such a huge difference. It's so cute. Here is how everything looks. You can see some of them I kept plain, and some of them I just added a couple little bling, and I love the ones with bling. I'm always about extra, but it doesn't have to be super fancy. Before I string it together, I like to line it all up so I know the order it's going to be in and play with it just so I am sure. And you can either punch holes in it, or for this one, I just taped the back. It wasn't anything fancy. Now, these were just an Auntie craft day party shapes that I made into my own banner. You can make anything into a banner, but Auntie also has so many files for parties and pendant banners that you can make yourself for any theme you want. I can't wait to see you guys get crafty. Bye!